Go.
Okay, this is going to be the green beans that I grew this year, and I'm going to cut up a little bit of the some peppers to put in it to add with the green beans that we're going to cook. Have a little bit of water already in it. And then we're gonna cook up some meat. I didn't have any bacon because a lot of people put bacon in theirs, so all I had was this ham. So I'm gonna cut the ham up and cook it a little bit.
The smoked ham.
Then I'm going to put a little bit of vinegar in there and a little bit of oil. A little more vinegar. I'm going to put some butter in it. And I'll let it melt in as it cooks. Then I'm going to add all the green beans in there with a little bit of the peppers. Then I'm going to put more water in there until I fill it up high enough for the water to be over the green beans. Then I'm going to put some salt and pepper in it. Then we're going to let it simmer till it finishes. And we'll show it after we get through cooking it. Then we'll come back to that. Well, this is what they look like when they're done. They're like a darker green. They started out bright green, and you know they're done when they got that dark, almost camouflage green. So that's what it looks like. You can see kind of the oils floating in a little bit, and this is going to be real good. So that's what it looks like when you finish cooking the green beans. And I cooked it for about an hour. Okay, so there we go. We're done. Till the next video.